Overall, that was a solid trade. S&T at the highest, swept liquidity, tapped into a 1 hour and a 15 minute, waited for the change in the state on the 1 minute, entered off the 1 minute change in the state. Okay, so it's currently 8:12 morning, 17 minutes until market open. Looking at the chart, I'm pretty bullish. Daily, I mean, that's the daily. You see, we still have this SMT here. We have daily highs. We have previous daily highs. We have Asia session highs also as a target, but it looks like we're probably just going to drop into there. If we get an entry, I don't know, we would have to come down before moving up for us to get an entry on that. Do we have any news? Today's Wednesday. We have PMI at 9 a.m. Hit or miss, hit or miss. Um, but I do want to mark out. It's not a 1 hour fair value gap yet. There is a 1 hour fair value gap here. However, if we do take out these highs, there's 1 hour fair value gap. Going to the 15 minute. Really not much for us to enter from today unless we want to enter from this order block or that order block. Also entering into a 15-minute order block. I mean, I'm bullish. There's just not crazy opportunity for us to enter. I like to stay above 15 for my PDOAs. Let's go to NQ. Now 15 minutes until market open. Looking at NQ, we are reacting off the 4 hour. Um, looks like we have relative equal highs up at this point of this 1 hour with Asia. Asia. Um, looks like we're in this 1 hour fair value gap as well, which means we would have needed a 5 minute change in the state, which essentially would have been right here. So a long time ago, homie. Um, there's no really good PDRAs that I like, to be real. I mean, there's this inverse fair value gap. Do we have an inverse fair value gap over here? No. I don't really see anything that I like right now. We do have this 4 hour fair value gap, which means we would need a 15-minute change of the state, which we got right here. Already retested that. We'll see, man. We'll see. See how market opens. Let's look at gold real quick. Gold, pretty bullish on gold. Um, there is this 4 hour. I wouldn't mind seeing price come into. So I'm just gonna add an alert. 1 hour. Make this alert up here, actually. However, we did just sweep London, and we are in. This doesn't look too shabby either. But if we want to keep going down, I'd also put an alert here. We are in a 15-minute already, so to see a change in the state, I'd want to see a change in the state here. I'm also gonna add an alert here. So, so we'll see. Got about 10 minutes until the market open. All right, it's currently 8:30. Might be able to catch something out of this 15-minute right here. We're also in a 15-minute. I honestly don't really think that matters. However, if we entered off this 15-minute, our change in the state would be way up here. So we'll just kind of see what happens. Watch price. There is a 5 minute fair value gap. I just don't have a 15-second chart. Maybe I need to get a 15-second chart. That 1 minute getting inverse wouldn't be a terrible play, to be honest. But I don't have a change in the state, so I can't take it. I wouldn't mind a quick scalp play though. Interestingly enough, we did get a change in the state to the downside off this candle right here, and we are in a 15-minute. So I just don't like where we are to take this straight. You feel me? Well, to take a short here. I don't like it. Now I have an S&T, and we're also in an hourly, so I'm gonna start watching the 5 minute shorts is what we to do. Dang, I gotta use the bathroom. 5 minutes to see if this count closes down here. All right, I'm in this cell on the S&P. We have an S&T with NQ. I'm pretty sure. Do we still have it? Do. We have an S&T. We're in this 1 hour for value gap and this 15 minute for value gap. So I took it off the 1 minute change in the state of delivery. Now the 5 minute change in the state of delivery would come down here. I'd probably take it to these lows, depending on what we do though. Because we do have news in about, we're risking about $245. Um, are in a 15 minute, so probably go to break even here. This is cold. I don't want to cold right now. What two Nasdaq's doing? I'm wondering if I want to trim right here because we're not really getting like that nice displacement that I would like to see down. Kind of just consolidating, and news comes in about 5 minutes. Referral news, I don't really know what's gonna do though. So right now we're kind of at a 2R, which isn't shabby if we did take it. Price is dropping. That's what I like to see. This is tough. Do we hold or do we not? Do we hold or do we not? I got it right there. How much are we up on that trade? We're up about 500 on that trade. I'm glad we got out, to be honest. That was a 15 minute. What was he tapping into? News just came. Definitely would have got stopped. All right, so we caught a 2R. It's not bad. All right, so boom. This trade would have hit, but with news, I wasn't gonna get, I was not gonna risk getting stopped out. Plus, I got a trading drawdown. Yeah, no. We hit a clean 2R on this trade. And let me show you. I knew I should just took it out at the $800 point, but it's okay. It's okay. We still got a nice move. I think we're tapping into now a inverse. Oh, are we? We're tapping into. Oh, we're tapping into a 4 hour fair value gap at this point. So I'm gonna delete this because now we have some nice equal highs waiting for us above. See, 4 hour, and I'm already bullish anyways. So if we're bullish, I want, damn, change the state would be way up here. I ain't tripping. See the 15 minute on here. Decent trade, not mad at it one bit. We also do have another SMT here. So if we get a change in the state on NQ here, I would be far more inclined to take that trade because I'm bullish anyways. I'm bullish anyways, twin. If there wasn't news, I definitely would have just held that, but there was. Overall, that was a solid trade. S&T at the highest, swept liquidity, tapped into a 1 hour and a 15 minute, waited for the change in the state on the 1 minute, entered off the 1 minute change in the state. This was a change in the state. We closed below here. We opened lower and then we came back, tapped it, and that's when I entered. I was targeting I was really targeting this 4 hour fair value gap, but because of news, I just left. I exited for a 2 hour, roughly a 2 hour, because we're up about 457. So roughly a 2 hour. We have an S&T at these lows. If we're gonna take a trade, it would probably be on NQ at this point because the change in state is much closer. There's also equal highs, I'm pretty sure, on NQ. There's also this 1 hour inverse. I mean, our change in state would still be in the same place, so I'm not really tripping. Shiny with house hunters. See if there's. Oh, there's a 15-minute inverse that we stepped into on NQ. Shit, 1 hour. It would still be up here. All of our changes in states would still be in the same place. So it's kind of just like, doo doo doo. Where do we stop first? Are you telling me it didn't take us out by what? Fucking 1 tick, fam? Bumbleclut. Like what? That's crazy. It wouldn't have taken us out if we held that. But who's gonna risk that? News, counter trend. Nah, son. Nah, son. Nah, son. You're not getting me anymore. You're not getting me. There's other opportunities. I would like for this to make a new Kindle. All right, so we got the 15-minute change in the state of delivery. I would love to fucking go long here. My goodness. Hold on. Trade. Create limit order. Let's just do no, don't do that. One. Buy that shit. Should we do it? Should we do it, chat? Chat, should we do it? I don't know, chat. I don't know, chat. I'm just doing 15-minute fair value gap. I don't even want to do it no more. I kind of want to do it, chat. I kind of do. I don't though. We're actually in a 15-minute fair value gap. Let me go on the one. Hold on. If we get this, if we don't get this, change to stay on 1 minute. That'd be fine. If we get the change to stay on 1 minute, I might be short again. And market buy right here. Let's see what happens. We do have an S&T at the lows. Let's see how this candle closes. We do have a bullish bias. There's an S&T at the lows. If we inverse this 1 minute, I'm in there like swimwear, fam. All right, I did it. I'm actually gonna move my stops below here. Modify order. Uh, since you've been gone. Moment of truth, fam. Do have an S&T at the lows. We did get a change in the state on the 15-minute. We did get a change in the state on the 5 minute. I mean, we have targets above. We do. It's just a matter of there's equal highs up here. What does 4 hour look like? Smaller size too. Create limit order. Okay, risk one. So we probably make another 248. Since you've been gone. Yeah, yeah. this high, I'm definitely going to break even though. BE. Our 15-minute change in states right here off of the 4-hour fair value gap though. Like this is in line with what we wanted to see. This is our 4-hour fair value gap. Wait, did we not have a 4-hour fair value gap? Wait a goddamn minute. We had an inverse 4-hour fair value gap, but we did tap back into this. Oh yeah, this is a 4-hour fair value gap right here. I'm tripping. So we did have a 4-hour fair value gap with a 15-minute change in the state of delivery. We came back down. What did we tap into though? That's my real question. 5-minute, I mean, it's an order block. Did we get a 15-minute change in the state on ES? No, we have not yet. About to get the 15-minute closure on the 4-hour. So a lot cleaner on ES, to be honest. You can't, yeah. This trade ain't moving how I wanted to. I might just take this little 1-to-1 and call it a day, to be honest. That at least put us at our $500 for today. Honestly, we're at our $500 right now. But it would be nice if we could just, just go up a little bit, right? Just go up a little bit, just a little bit more, so I can get a nice 1-to-1. Are we at 500 right now? I mean, we are. Should I just call it? I just call it. This price isn't moving how I wanted to, and I really don't need to be in this trade. I'm out. I think I need to take another shot. We have 484. I'm cooling. I'm cool on that. I'm good on the day. There's no reason to even really stress it. Price isn't moving how I wanted it to. Got a pretty decent move earlier in the day. I can come back later and see if our TP would have been hit without taking us out at break even. So, peace out, Girl Scouts.